How to close your Fidelity investment account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is sell your positions if you are liquidating or initiate a transfer of assets, TOA, to move holdings to another brokerage, right? So after doing that, what you're going to do is transfer all of your remaining cash balance to your linked bank account. For that, you can simply get into the application. Then from there, you can actually go along with the process of how you'll be able to transfer it, right? So after doing that, finally, you're going to log into the application just like this. And in here, what we're going to do is go to our virtual assistant. So you can get that virtual assistant. If you simply tap on your profile icon around here, you will actually be able to get to their settings. Then from there, if you scroll down a bit, you'll actually be able to get the help option. And then from there, you'll be able to get your virtual assistant. So in there, what you're going to do is simply type close account and then follow the guided prompt to close your empty accounts. So after doing that, you will successfully be able to close your Fidelity investment account permanently. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.